In this video, I'm going to show you a very important coin that you can grab right now into your portfolio and make the best out of the bull market. So if you have not buy any token yet, or you want to actually buy more, there are specific crypto that you need to have in your portfolio to make the best out of the bull market. So that is what I'll be talking about in this very video. So watch this video to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about cryptocurrency, day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. And that very crypto that I also want you to hold in your portfolio for maximum return in this very bull market is Kaspa. I know so many persons are not talking about this very crypto, but I believe strongly from the analysis I've done and research that this coin is going to do very well. Right now, if you take a look at this very coin, it's trading at 0.1573. There's a current market price right now, and as you know, the market has been moving all the way to the upside, and I'm going to show you something that is going to blow your mind in this very video, so keep watching. If you look at the market cap right here, we have 3.7 billion, okay, and it is ranked number 26 on the market capitalization. And if you look at the 24-hour trading volume, is very significant. And look at the circulating supply, which is 23 billion, okay, 23.8 billion out of 28.7 billion max supply. And if you look at it here, the total supply and the max supply is the same, and about 83.25% of the max supply is already in circulation. And if you go a little bit down, it is covered that this coin is a proof of work based coin. Okay, now so many persons would think that tokens and coin that support proof of work mechanism are going to do well in this very bull market, but in my own opinion, they're going to do very well, especially those coins that support proof of work with recent technology like Kaspa. And I believe strongly that Kaspa is going to hit the least $7 in the heat of the bull market. If you look at the white paper right here and take a careful look at this very white paper, read it very well, and discover that they have one of the best scalable solution in the blockchain space, and also the best network. Now, one of the reasons why I am betting hard or buying Kaspa is because of its distribution. Now, the Kaspa distribution is in such a way that the creator of this token don't have that much distribution in hand. Okay, so they are not holding much of the token, unlike what we see on CoinMarketCap right here. For example, coin like ADA and XRP right here, they have much token in the hand of the creator, and this is not very good for a cryptocurrency, because when it comes to correction, let's say for example, and we begin to see correction in the market, let's say in mini correction in the bull market or at the end of the bull market, this very coin that have a lot of the token in the hand of the developer is going to correct so hard. We also see that in the like of Solana, okay, when Solana crashed back below $10, and this is very important for all crypto investors and traders. So I always say that it's not just very fine for you to just see a cryptocurrency coin and invest in. It is always very wise for you to do your due diligence, and your due diligence, after you have done that, you must find out whether it actually apply in the market. So I am expecting that Kaspa will be among the top 10 coin in the crypto space, and on CoinMarketCap right here is going to be among the top 10. That means it's going to either replace this Cardano or is going to replace XRP right here on this very ranking. Coin was not at this number 9. Okay, Coin just came up just very recently, on just like Kaspa as well. If you look at it right now, Kaspa is at number 26 on the market capitalization. I am expecting this coin to move into the top 10 by ranking on CoinMarketCap. So when is it time to buy this very token into your portfolio? The time is now. If you have not bought Kaspa, or you want to still buy, or you want to see add more to your portfolio, I believe strongly that this coin is going to do very, very well in this very bull market. Now, taking a look at the technical part of this very video, it is covered from this very point where it was listed around this area of 0.005, and the market moved a little bit upward, come back down, and this was all in the bear market. Okay, so even in the bear market, this coin have been increasing to the upside till this very moment, and it means that it have high capacity of doing even more than this in the heat of the bull run. Now, if you go a little bit to the downside to the 1-day chart, so looking at the 1-day chart right here, it is covered that this coin have been moving upward, and it has created a new high at this very point. What I am expecting right now, since the market is at this very level of 0.157, I am expecting the market to correct a little bit for this very move before the next move to the upside. So two things you have to do right now. Now, if you want to buy, you can buy at the current market price, or you wait for the market to move down to this very level of support right at this point, because from here I am expecting the market to begin to move to the upside. Now, one thing you must have to know about technical analysis is the market may not come back into this very point. Okay, so I am also looking at, if the market did not come into this very area, where is the significant resistance that we need to pay attention to, so that if market did not come down and market begin to move up, if it crossed that resistance, then we can still enter the market if you are not buying right now at current market price. And that resistance is this very point of 0.168. Okay, so this very area, I am expecting that if the market begin to move upward and cross this very level of resistance, the market is going to begin to move to the upside, and you wouldn't want to miss out on that very move that is going to come into the market. So pay attention to this very level of resistance if you are not buying right now at the current market price. And if you want to wait for the market to come back to the downside to this very level of support and then buy before the next move to the upside, you also pay attention to this level of support as well, and this very level of resistance. So this is what you must have to pay attention to right now. Now, one more thing in this very video, if you look at the market capitalization is 3.7 billion. Okay, so I am expecting this market cap to increase, and like I said earlier in this very video, I said I am expecting this coin to do above $7. Okay, so $7 minimum in the heat of the bull run. That means if we do $7 multiplied by the current circulating supply right here, which is 23, we have 892 and 189332. Okay, so this, and if you look at it, I am expecting this going to do about $167 billion market cap in the heat of the bull run. And this is my personal expectation from my own research and analysis. So if you want to buy Kaspa into your portfolio right now, is the best time to buy. Either you buy at the current market price of 0.157, or you wait for the market to come back down a little bit, because that is what I am expecting. Market should come back down into this support area before the market is going to move upward. Now, if the market did not come back to the downside and we begin to see the next move to the upside, if the market cross this very level of 0.167, then it means that the market is going to move to the upside. So these are the things you need to pay attention to if you are interested in buying Kaspa, and it is a good hold for me in this very bull market. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more content like this. Also check the channel for other content, and if you've not registered on Binance and OKX, other crypto platform, check the description. Right now you see a link, and register and claim all the bonuses. If you want to enroll for my crypto bootcamp coming up this very month, and check the description of this very video, you see a contact, and reach out to me to enroll for that very bootcamp. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.